In this lecture, we are going to learn high-end skin softening, 3D depth, color correction, and light overlays to give fantastic effect in Adobe Photoshop. This is before and after. Have a look. So welcome to Graphic Teacher channel. If you like my video, subscribe, bell icon and leave your comment.
Graphic Teacher.
First step, high-end skin softening. First, I took a JPG image of this lady, make it duplicate and go to image, invert and go to vivid light. Don't worry. After that, go to filter, other, high pass and you can adjust the amount till your skin looking softer. Have a look, you can check, and after go to filter again, Gaussian blur, and you can adjust the amount near 3 to 4 according to your image softness. If you are satisfied with your amount, I think 3 is enough proper. So I applied and I just click on mask. If I click, it comes with white. Press Alt and click, it comes with a black filled mask. So I take brush, flow I can make 40-50 also, but I keep it 100 to fasten the touch up. So I have started. Adjust the brush size whichever you like. See, you can have a look. The texture of the skin is remained as it is, but skin is softening. You can adjust the brush size pressing shortcut key. Little under eye. See, it took me less than 1 minute to give this effect. Means softening the skin. It took 1 minute or less. So I want to give a 3D depth. Second step is 3D depth, means dodge and burn. Duplicate. I select both of them and convert to smart object and off the original one because we don't require that. Duplicate the smart object again and rasterize the upper layer to make your file little lighter. So go to blending option, make it screen and go to underlying layer effect, black part to right side and press the Alt key and divide that into 2 till desired effect. Now duplicate the convert to smart object layer again and keep it upside, make it multiplier and go to blending option again. Rasterize first and go to blending option and in underlying layers now move white part to darker area and this is fine for me and press the Alt option and make it little softer. You can adjust the depth according to your preference. So this much is fine for me. This is okay. Okay. You can adjust anytime to clicking on double click the blending icon which is right side of the layers. I am adjusting again. Okay. Now I just select both of them and make it new group from layer. On that group, I click on mask. On that mask, I apply an image to give a 3D depth. Go to image, apply image, and keep it all settings as it is because it takes that same file to apply the depth. Look at this effect right now. This is the original one. This is skin softening, and this is with depth. Now the image is looking very sharp and clear, but I want to shine lips and eyes. So I go to adjustment layer, create a new color fill layer, go to blending option again, and same thing because I want a shiny lips. So make it darker part little lighter, and now lips is looking fine, and I just invert the mask color to black and select a brush, keep it foreground color white, and just brush it and stand out that lips color. And I make it one more fill color fill with white, and go to blending option, same with eyes, and now this time I make it more lighter because I want eyes little shiny. So same thing, you can adjust the eyes according to your requirement. This is fine for me. And same inverted mask, invert the mask with black fill color, and now take a brush and 60 opacity, I make it 30 because 60 is too much. See, right now is looking fine, shiny. Adjust the brush opacity and just fill that area. Now we go to color correction because our images are absolutely ready for color correction. Go to adjustment layer and take a photo filter. I want some greenish tinge, so I take aqua green, like underwater green, which is soften colors. Yes, little greenish effect. I go to color lookup. This horror blue tone is perfect. I just select, go to screen, adjust the opacity, original, and with color. This is fine for me right now. I just want to give a more crossfade effect with color. So I select all of them and convert to smart object, go to filter and raw camera raw filter. Go to presets and here the cross process is my favorite. So I have selected cross process and in vignetting I am selecting heavy. Heavy means this is the color cross process and vignetting is the edges are black. Yeah, now I want to add light overlays. Light overlay, step 4 and final one. I want light coming from here. So I just take new adjustment layer with gradient and go to gradients, select violet orange, violet little more, and I add a black color because I want that area to be hide. Radial and inverse, and after that applying this effect, change the blending mode to screen because I don't want that black area. I just want to blend the screen. I just want to apply a light effect. Adjust the scale. This is too much. Adjust accordingly. This is fine for me, and you can put it wherever you want, but this area is fine. And you can adjust the blue color to move left and right. So I have shifted to left to fill more blue color. See, now your image is absolutely ready. This took me 5 minutes, and you can create your own images or any image this kind of effect. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any video or any tutorial from us. Thank you.
Graphic teacher.